For nearly 8 years, you have been a best friend and the love of my life, a life I cannot imagine myself without you in. You have always been a constant source of support and understanding, and I could not have asked for a better partner even if I tried to find one completely on my own. I often think back to how simple our life used to be, and I think back that even though that we have all these animals and all this land, that life is still incredibly simple to be with you, and I will cherish that forever.
Darling, I've never been bold. Flowers you brought, my stomach in knots.
These last 8 years, we have grown so much together. This journey, this adventure that we're on has already challenged us as a couple to work through hardships and obstacles and become stronger in our commitment and to our love. There have been some really hard times, but we've had a lot of amazing firsts as well. You are my best friend, and I can't imagine my life without you. Today seems like it's the start of a journey, but I already belong to you. And most importantly, today, in front of our closest friends and family, I take you as my husband. With kindness, respect, and trust, I promise to stick by your side through the challenges and triumphs to create a wonderful life together. I promise to take care of you just as you've taken care of me. I promise that I will be here to support you, to be patient and loving towards you as much as I can, and to work by your side to achieve the things that we've dreamed of. You are the arms that I want wrapped around me at the beginning and the end of each day. Your infectious laugh is the one I want our kids to have. You are the one I want to love completely and forever.
It is my joyful responsibility to officially acknowledge your union as husband and wife. You may now seal your marriage with a kiss. Ladies and gentlemen,